Hey everyone, ever wondered who runs the world? Well, when it comes to wealth, women are stepping up big time. Let's dive into some eye-opening stats. Starting off with Norway, where women hold about 90% of the wealth compared to men. That's right, Norway is leading the charge globally for gender wealth equity. Props to them. Next, we have Denmark, with women's wealth hovering around 88 to 90% of men's wealth. Consistently ranked high in gender equality, Denmark is showing us how it's done. Go Denmark! Moving on to Spain, where the wealth gap between genders is getting smaller and smaller. Women there have about 85 to 88% of what men have. Way to go, Spain! Austria is next on our list, with women's wealth between 85 and 87% of men's. They've got above average female retirement savings and wealth accumulation. That's impressive, Austria. Now, let's talk about South Korea. Rapid improvements have brought women's wealth to around 83 to 85% of men's. Amazing progress, South Korea. Japan is also making strides, with women holding 82 to 84% of men's wealth. Their strong pension system and growing female participation are paying off. Keep it up, Japan. Taiwan is on the rise too, with women's wealth at about 82 to 84% of men's. Narrow gender pay gaps and increasing female asset ownership are doing wonders. Go Taiwan! In Israel, the numbers are between 80 and 83%. Good gender parity in savings and investment behavior is the key here. Well done, Israel! Now, a quick shout out to Australia. Female billionaires there average more wealth than male billionaires in 2024. That's some serious girl power. And last but not least, the UK. Did you know Taylor Swift has £1.11 billion more than Travis Kelce? Talk about wealth in the hands of women. So, who runs the world? Women are certainly making their mark. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content.